Hi everyone, we're going to graph a rational function with its inverse. We already found the inverses in another video that says number 2 as well on the previous videos, and this one is going to be 3x over x plus 2. So just looking at this, I know my domain, x can't be negative 2. That generates the vertical asymptote at x equals negative 2. I also know that since the degree of my numerator is the same as the denominator, I divide 3 over 1 and I'm going to have a horizontal asymptote at y equals 3. I also know I have a horizontal, my intercept, if I let x be 0, then y is going to be 0. So you're just plugging in 0 here. So if I plug in 0 for x, you get 0 over 2, so that's going to be here. And then, so that is also my x-intercept. And so we're just going to sketch a graph, and it's going to get close to this, and come up through here and do this way. And then the same thing's going to happen here. Get close to here, and then just round it up in here. Okay? So that's that one. Alright, and then we're going to graph the inverse on the next one. The inverse we found to be f inverse of x is negative 2x over x minus 3. Now what I suggest you do is look at what we did. So the vertical asymptote was x equals y equals 3. Now we have the vertical at x equals 3. So you're changing your x and y intercept. You're changing your asymptotes. And before we had our vertical at x equals negative 2. Now that means our y is going to be at negative 2. So we're going to put that one there. So you're just switching them out. You're switching the x and the y. So this is y equals negative 2, and this is going to be x equals 3. You can also see it in the calculator here. Now my intercept is still at 0, 0 for both of these, and then you just kind of graph it based off of that. So it's going to go this way. And so it's going to come down to here and go out around this way. And we're just doing a sketch. Okay, now we're going to put it together. All right, so basically on the first one, we had y equals 3. But x equals negative 2. And on the second one, now I have x equals 3. This one was x equals negative 2. So now I have y equals negative 2, because I'm switching my x and y because they're inverses. Now I'm going to look at the red one and graph the function, and we had our intercepts both here. So for the red one, it's going to go like this. Something like that. And for the blue one, here's my center. And this one went like, how did it go? It went further down. So it's going to go like this. And we're going right with the blue, where the blue is. So you have to be pretty visual with this. Okay? This reflects over the y equals x. Again, this is just a sketch. And there is your inverse with the regular function. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.